Hi everyone, this is Bonbon, and so today I'm following a tutorial by an artist that I really admire, and they do really great tutorials to me in general. It's just, can I do what they're doing? But anyway, this one is going to be his beginner nose tutorial. He also did the mouth and eyes, but I just wanted to practice a nose specifically, so I was like, let me try that one. I think the name is pronounced Mmmmonexx, like there's a lot of M's in there, but as you can see, I've put the actual video that I'm watching up on the screen, plus I'll put the actual link in the description box. So this is just honestly what I do when I'm practicing before I get back to the next face or something I want to draw. So I just wanted to share that I do try to practice a lot of techniques, and I always forget to film it. So this time I made sure I'm actually recording, and I will try to record more of my practice sessions. So this is really a practice session. I really do learn from these artists on YouTube, and that's how I've gotten better. So I hope you enjoy. This video shouldn't be too long, just to show you my results on my first try. Like, I just looked at his, I did it, I sped myself up because it took me about 9 minutes, but that's a long time to watch someone not drawing, so I sped it up and compressed it a little bit. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully y'all like, share, and subscribe.